What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to access the recruiter option on LinkedIn homepage. So you first have to be assigned a recruiter's license and to activate it. However, if you did so and you want to recruit someone or open like the recruiter option on your LinkedIn, you'll need to access it through the website on your computer. If you want to do it through your phone, you'll need to download another app that's for recruitment that's called LinkedIn Recruiter, not through the LinkedIn app itself. So I'll show you how to do it on the browser here. You'll have to go to the top right corner here. You'll find a recruiter option that looks like a magnifying glass. If you don't find it, that's the case, that's my case here. Go to the For Business option, click on it, and a menu will pop up, and you should see, if you activated your recruiter's account, you should see here a recruiter's option that's like an icon with magnifying glass on it that says recruiter. If you click on it, it'll open to you the recruiter's option or the recruiter's page on LinkedIn.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.